Parliament's power to amend the Constitution is a topic that often stirs debate, especially when we consider the doctrine of basic structure. This doctrine essentially acts as a safeguard, ensuring that while Parliament can make amendments, it cannot alter the fundamental identity of the Constitution itself. Let's dive into Article 368, which outlines the procedure for amending the Constitution. It grants Parliament the authority to make changes, but it's not an unrestricted power. The Supreme Court, in the landmark Kesavananda Bharati case of 1973, established a pivotal principle. Parliament can amend the Constitution, but it cannot destroy its basic structure. This ruling was a game changer, asserting that certain core principles must remain intact regardless of political whims. So, what exactly constitutes this basic structure? The Supreme Court has identified several elements over the years. Key among them are the supremacy of the Constitution, the rule of law, the separation of powers, and the fundamental rights of citizens. These elements form the bedrock of our democracy and ensure that the Constitution remains a living document, reflective of the values and aspirations of the people. Let's consider some landmark cases that have tested this doctrine. In the Minerva Mills case of 1980, the Supreme Court reinforced the importance of the basic structure by striking down amendments that attempted to curtail judicial review and the balance of power between the legislature and the judiciary. The court emphasized that the Constitution is not just a legal document, it embodies the ethos of our nation. Another significant case is the Indira Sawhney case, which addressed the issue of reservations in government jobs. The Supreme Court ruled that while affirmative action is essential for social justice, it should not violate the basic structure of equality before the law. This illustrates how the doctrine acts as a balancing force, ensuring that while we strive for progress, we do not compromise on fundamental rights. The doctrine of basic structure is not just a legal principle, it's a reflection of our commitment to democracy and justice. It ensures that no single entity, including Parliament, can wield unchecked power over the Constitution. This doctrine serves as a reminder that the Constitution is a living entity, meant to evolve with society while preserving its core values. In essence, the relationship between Parliament and the Constitution is one of respect and restraint. While Parliament has the power to amend, it must always remember that it is bound by the fundamental principles that define our nation. The basic structure doctrine is a testament to the wisdom of our founding fathers, ensuring that the Constitution remains a beacon of hope and justice for all citizens.